Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some fried fish. First of all, I'm cleaning the fish. I'm taking the parts out that don't need to be eaten, and then after that I'm going to cut all the wings out. Oh god, I'm struggling to cut that bit, so I just had to use a knife. Sometimes it's difficult to take the extra bits off. So yeah, the first thing is just cleaning everything. The scales are already off. I did them previously. I did them at the sink. Now I'm just taking out the inside of the head. I don't know what they're called. Is it gills? Yeah, I'm taking those bits out. After taking everything off, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to wash the fish by the sink and then come back and put the ingredients inside the fish and outside the fish. The fish is now clean. I'm just making some cuts in the fish in order for me to put the seasoning. So I'll cut them on both sides. With making the cuts in the fish, it doesn't matter how you make them. It depends on how you like it and or how well seasoned you want your fish. With me, I'm making like 4 of them because I want my seasoning to go in. With the seasoning, I'm going to use aroma all peppers and fish seasoning, and then I'm also going to use black pepper and a bit of Maggi cubes. With the greens, I'm just going to use onions, green pepper, green chili, and scotch bonnet, and a bit of olive oil just to ensure that the fish doesn't stick, and some dried chili. I just blended everything together, and now I'm just going to put the seasoning on the fish. I cut some onions to put inside the fish. I will put the seasoning inside the fish and outside, so I'm just doing that now, and these onions are going to go inside the fish as well. What I'm doing now is I'm just going to put all the seasoning inside the fish and outside the fish, and then after that just ensure that the seasoning is inside and you've put enough for your own tasting. I'm going to put a couple of seasoning in there, maybe 3-5 layers, because I like my seasoning. My seasoning is a bit spicy, but if you want, you can remove the chili and just make it mild. That's up to you. I'm just adding the last layer of seasoning. After this, what I'm going to do, the leftover seasoning, I'm going to fry it. So once all the seasoning is done, now I'll just transfer the fish in the bowl. I'm going to leave this fish to marinate overnight, and then I'll cook it tomorrow. So I'm going to also add some lemons before I cover it up in order for the juices to go in. In order for the juices to go inside, I'm gonna add a couple of lemon slices. I think that's enough. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'll just check if I'm satisfied with the sauce. Definitely that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna cover it up with some cling film and then leave it in the fridge for it to marinate till the next day. The fish is now ready to be put in the oven. So what I'm doing now is I'll just be adding a little bit of olive oil in the pan. I put some olive oil on the bottom in order for the fish not to stick. Once I've put it in the pan, I'll just put some olive oil on top of the fish as well, and then cover it up with foil, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, that's the fish. I'm just gonna dish it out now. The fish is now ready to be eaten. So I've paired my fish with some sauce, spicy sauce. If you want to know how I make the spicy sauce, just comment in the comment section. So I've added some coleslaw, I've also added some cucumbers and a bit of lemon to put on the fish, and some fries. Guys, if you try this recipe, just make sure you tag me on Instagram or comment in the section below. As you can see, I'm trying the fish out. It's really soft in the inside because I covered it up with foil and then just let it dry for like 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.